Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, most gracious and most merciful. أيها الطلاب الأحبة السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أيوة. Okay. My dear friends, how are you? Fine? Yes. I hope you all fine and safe in your home. Isn't it? Yes. Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast? Yes. Aywa. Alhamdulillah. Okay, my dear friends. Already we are completed our examination. Very smoothly. Isn't it? No. Yes. Will you enjoy? Have you satisfied? Yes, I will. We are completed our first examination very smoothly. We have studied 6 lectures. Isn't it? No. Yes. Alif, Ba, Lam, Dal, Ra, Wa. These letters already we studied 6 letters. 6 letters we are studying. Alif, Ba, Alif, Ba, then Lam. Next, Tal, Dal, Ra. Alif, Ba, Lam, Tal, Dal, Ra. Alif, Apun, Ummun. Do you remember that? Yes. Alhamdulillah. Ba, Baitun, Bintun, Bustan. Lam, Law, Lisan, Lu'bat. Then Ta, Tais, Tilfas, Tufahat. Then Dal, Dalwi, Deek, Dub. Then Ra, not Ra, 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 Raf, Rish, Ruz, Rab. Yes, we are completed 6 letters. After that, we are started our 3rd lesson. Correct? No. We have started our 3rd lesson. As-Safu Salif. As-Safu Salif. What is the name? What is the name? Yes. Kurati wa Midarabi. Kurati wa Midarabi. 3rd is lesson number 3. Kurati wa Midarabi. Kurati wa Midarabi. See this? Yes. Then, have you remember that we are studied from 3rd lesson, 1st letter. Better that? Yes. Kalbun, Ka. Letter Kaf. Letter Kaf. Letter Kaf. We are studying letter Kaf. We are studying letter Ka. Kal. Kibrit. kurat. Kalbun, kibrit, kurat. Kalbun, kalbun, kibrit, kuratun, samakun, kaf. Already we learned from third lesson letter kaf. Letter kaf. Kalb, kalb. Then kibrit, kibrit. What is the meaning of kelp? Kelp? Dog. Yes. Dog. Kelpun. Dog. Ka. The next we are studying kibrit. Kibrit. What is the meaning? Yes. Matchbox. Key. Matchbox. Next we are studying kurats. 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 Board. Kurats. Board. Cool. Isn't it? Next. Samak. Samak. What does it mean? Yes. Fish. Fish. Samakun. Fish. Cat. Okay. Yes. We are learned. Already we learned letter Ka. How can I write this? Yes. First we want to touch our pencil. Pen like that. From here, right side. Then like that you want to get. Next second type. First like that. Like a lamp. Then inside. Sure. You got it? Yes. Letter Ka. Okay. Then, so my dear students, today we are going to study another one beautiful letter. Yes. Another one beautiful letter. Letter Ma. Mim. Letter Mim. Letter Mim. Letter Mim. Okay. Letter Mim. How can I write this Mim? Like that. We want a band. Yes. Once again. Once again. Which letter? Ma. Letter Mim. Letter Mim. Okay. Letter Mim. Letter Mim. Mouse. Mouse. What is the meaning of mouse? Yes. Mouse. Banana. Mouse. Banana. Do you like this? You like this? Yes. Very, very tasty fruit is. Yes. Banana. Mouse. 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 Banana. Mouse and banana. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse and banana. Mouse. What is the meaning? Yes, yes, yes. Banana. Banana. Mouse and banana. Mouse and yes. Mahala. 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 All of you. Yes, I will. Alhamdulillah. Mouse. Mouse. What is the meaning? Mouse. Banana. Mouse mean banana. We are studying Ma. Letter Ma. Letter Ma. How can I write this mean? Ma. First you want to touch our pencil. Then like that. Okay. Letter Ma. Mousing. Mousing. Mousing means Mountain? Ah, yes. Alhamdulillah. Banana. Mountain? Banana. Next one. Letter me. Letter me. Me. Yes. Okay. Me. Miller. 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 Yes. Would you like this? Yes. Mahala. Cricket bat. Yes. Miller. Miller. Okay, cricket bat. So Arabic name? Miller. Yes. Miller. What is it? Yes. Sachin Tendulkar. Yes. He is using this. Yes. Miller. Bat. Cricket bat. Miller. 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 Letter me. Miller. Cricket bat. Miller. Cricket bat. Yes. Bat. Cricket bat. Miller. Cricket bat. Yes. Second letter. Miller. Means bat. First we learn mouse. What was it? Banana. Mahada? Yes. Mouse. Yes. Very good. Congratulations. Yes. Mahada? Mahada? Milarabanayiva. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Accentum. Accentum. Then, next one. Next one. Mush. What is a mush? Yes. Comb. Comb. Mushed. Comb. Mahada. Mushed. Mushed. Okay, that's mushed. Move. Mushtwe. Mushtwe. Calm. Mahada. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Mushtwe. What is the meaning? Calm. Calm. Mushtwe. Calm. Already we using like that. After bath. Yes. Musht. Musht means calm. Musht. Calm. Calm. Musht means calm. Musht. Calm. Yes. Already today we learned letter meme. Letter meme. First we learned mouse. Mouse. What is the meaning? Banana. Banana. Mouse. Banana. Next we learn me. Miller. Cricket bat. Miller. 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 Third we learn musht. Calm. Musht. Calm. Musht. Calm. My dear friends, we can sing one beautiful song. Did you like song? Yes. First we can sing with the ma. Ready? Are you ready? All of you? Yes, Saiba. Alhamdulillah. What is this? Yes. Mouse. 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 Letter meme. Letter meme. Meme and mouse. All of you. Meme and mouse fil baiti. ميم موزن في البيت ميم موزن في البيت ميم موزن لذيذ. What is the meaning لذيذ? Tasty. Okay. ميم موزن لذيذ. أكل يأكل ولدا موزن يأكل ولدا موزن تأكل بنت موزن. ميم موزن ميم موزن في البيت ميم موزن في البيت. لون الموز أصفر لون الموز أصفر يأكل ولدا الموز تأكل بنت الموز تأكل ولدا الموز تأكل بنت الموز تأكل بنت الموز. Stated? Miller. Me. Bat. Bat. Meeman Miller. All of you. Meeman Miller في البيت ميمن ملربن في البيت ميمن ملربن باللعب يلعب ولدا باللعب يلعب ولدا باللعب يلعب ولدا باللعب. ميمن ملربن في البيت ميمن ملربن في الميدان ميمن ملربن في الميدان ميمن ملربن باللعب ميمن ملربن باللعب. يلعب ولدا يلعب ولدا باللعب يلعب ولدا بالملرب يلعب ولدا بالملرب يلعب ولدا بالملرب. Okay. يحب ولدا الملرب. يحب means right. يحب ولدا الملرب. ميمن ملرب في البيت ميمن ملرب في البيت. مشت ميمن مشت في الجيب ميمن مشت في الجيب ميمن مشت في الجيب ميمن مشت في اليد ميمن مشت في الجيب. ميمن مشت بالنشاط ميمن مشت في الولد ميمن مشت في البيت ميمن مشت ميمن مشت في اليد. Okay. Yes. موزن هذا mouse هذا ميورا. Yes, أيوة الحمد لله أحسنتم. Then ما هذه مشت. Yes. ما هذه مشتن مشتن قوم مشتن قوم. Okay, my dear students. So we learned from third lesson. First we learned letter Kaf. Letter Kaf. First we learn letter Kaf. Letter Kaf. Ka, Kelbun, Pipirit, Milrabun, Samakun. Yes. Do you remember that? Yes, I do. Alhamdulillah. Then today we learn letter Mim. No need forward. Mim. Letter Mim. Letter Mim. Mim. Letter Mim. Yes. Ma. Mausen. Mausen. Me. Me. Yes. Milrab. Milrab. Then Mu. Mu. Yes. Mushtui. Mushtui. Then once again Ma. Mausen. Mausen. Then Me. Me. Milrab. Milrab, bat. Milrab, bat. Mahada. Mahada. Yes, Aiva. Milrab. Milrab, bat. Here we learn. Mush. Mo. Mush. Call. Mo. Mush. Call. Okay. I think all of you got it today. Today's class. Yes. Very satisfied. You also satisfied? Have you satisfied today's class? Yes. Alhamdulillah. Okay, my dear students, you have to study from home. These two like kelbe, kibrit, kurate, milrab. Also mouse, milrab, mush, meme. Okay. You have to write and study from home. Mouse, milrab, mush. Isn't it? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Al-Aiva. Santum. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Today we can complete. We can wind up our class. We hope you all enjoy. Isn't it? Okay, my dear students. Thank you. Shukran jazakallahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.